What's up, everybody? Howard Kingston here, entrepreneur, marketer, and co-founder of Growth Velocity Academy. I am so excited. I'm so excited because we are launching our YouTube channel. So excited. And for that, I want to always like to launch with a kind of surprise. And to celebrate the launch of our Growth Velocity Show YouTube channel, we are doing an epic giveaway, and we are giving over $3,000 worth of courses away as a competition. Okay, so this is the way it's going to work. All right, so if you want to enter the competition and win up to $3,000 worth of course prizes, this is what you've got to do. We've got a special link that you'll want to click. And when you click there, there's a series of actions you can do to enter the competition. All right, and you can do multiple entries. All right, so one of them will be to click and visit our YouTube channel and subscribe to our channel. So you must be a subscriber to enter. And then there'll be some other actions like follow us on Instagram, follow me on Instagram, watch a video, things like that. And every single one of those things you do, you get an entry into the competition. So obviously the more entries you have into the competition, the more likely you are to win the competition. We like you to win, all right? So this is it. We're going to be running it for a week or two, but here's the absolute kicker as well. We want to guarantee everyone is a winner. So everybody that enters, everyone that subscribes to our channel, we're going to be giving a free ticket to our virtual digital marketing growth summit we're running next week, which is a half-day event. Normally tickets are $29 US, but you know what? We're going to give them anybody and everybody that subscribes to our channel. We're going to give you one as a gift. Now, obviously, if you're watching this video after the summit was, well, you know what, unfortunately, you saw this a little bit too late, but you can still enter the competition. So the competition for the full $3,000 worth of course prizes will run about 2 weeks, and we'll announce the winner. But if you enter in the next few days before the virtual summit, you will automatically get a ticket for the virtual summit next week. Okay? Everyone's a winner. Okay, guys, so really pumped and really happy and really excited to be launching this YouTube channel, and love to see you there. Okay, peace out and chat soon.